I'm Richard Haggett. I'm the National Programme Director for the Online Law Programmes at the University of Law. Studying online has many benefits. Boils down to 3 A's in effect. Any time, in that you are working to a schedule, but how you get to that schedule is flexible for you. Any place, in that you don't have to be in a classroom to study. You can be working at your desk, lunchtime, on the bus, on the train, wherever you're online. Anywhere, in that you don't have to be in the UK. To an extent, it's an opportunity for the university to come to you, rather than you having to come to university. We have an online LLB, we have an online graduate diploma in law, we have an online legal practice course, and we have an online Masters in Law. The online legal practice course does require some attendance for induction and then for skills assessments and practices. The other courses only require attendance for assessment. For all of the online courses, the majority of the learning materials will be online through a learning platform, and this may be a mix of e-books and webinars and exercises to complete and submissions for tutor review. The materials are all released at the start of the module, and so if you know you have a family or work commitment coming up, you can work ahead. And some people might ask, in comparison to an attendance student, how much support do I actually get if I'm not actually on a campus at any particular time? Well, we do have a personal tutor system. You have access to all the resources that other students would have, be they online, such as counselling support, both provided by the university and external agencies. You have access to employability functions across the university, not just at the campus at which you might otherwise be attending. And of course, you have a dedicated management and administration to look after you.